I'm so disappointed because I got kicked out of my apartment. Now I have nowhere else to stay. Oh my god, it's so raining here. I cannot even stand it. But I have to get home to the Avengers camp. I have to stop here because Ava's kind of disappointed. What's wrong, Ava? I have nowhere else to stay. Why, Ava? Why? I was kicked out for not paying the bills. Ooh, that's kind of really sad. I know. I should pay my bills on time. I know, you should do it. You can stay with me if you want to, Ava. Really? Are you sure, Tony? You really sure? Yes, I'm sure, Ava. I can stay with you? For as long as you want. Thanks, Tony. You're welcome, Ava. Let's go to the Avengers campus right now. Yay. Hey, wait for me, Ava. Don't forget me.